What are you doing? Hey, microwave.
Microwave. I need to put mine. Ashley. Put mine into Isaac. Oh. It's done. Ah! I put mine into.
Amir, he's playing with his microwave. Leave him alone.
Again.
And put it in there again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine too. Mine too.
Okay, yours too?
Yeah.
Okay, put them both in.
Mine too.
Close it, turn it on, and press start. It's not turning. Move. I want to see it. Wow.
That was mine. This one was mine. I already drank from this one. Again?
Let go.
That was mine.
Let go. That's Izuka's. You had more, right?
I had less.
Let me see.
Because I already drank some.
No, this is yours. That's Izuka's.
I drank some already.
No, he drank more.